Okay, so they have given the mass flow rate at the stage is 25, work done factor is given, mechanical efficiency assuming the stage efficiency is given. Now you need to determine the air angle at the stator entry. Okay, that means, okay, let first draw the schematic diagram. Okay, so this is the rotor, here we'll have the stator. Fine, and from here flow is entering this one, here the flow is coming and entering into the stator, again it is now leaving. Now what are the values are given? Beta 1, beta 2, alpha 1, alpha 3. So beta 1 is given, beta 2 is given, alpha 1 is given, and alpha 3 is given. Alpha 2 is not given. Alright, next, and that is what we need to find, air angle at the stator entry. That what is the air angle at the stator entry? Alpha 2. So first you need to draw the velocity triangle, then only it will be easy. They have given the diameter u, that is 100 meter per second. They have given the stage efficiency, other mechanical factors, right? Now let's first find the blade angle. This is given 51, this is given 9, and this is given 7 degree, right? Can you tell me what will be the alpha 2 value? Can you tell me what will be the divided? The first question.
Tan alpha 1 plus tan beta 1 equal to tan alpha.
Absolutely. So you are going to use tan alpha 1 plus tan beta 1 equals to tan alpha 2 plus tan beta 2. So here all the values are known except tan alpha 2. So tan alpha 2 equals to tan alpha 1 plus tan beta 1 minus tan beta 2. All the values are known to you. Substitute, you will get then alpha 2 equals to tan inverse of that value, and you will get what is a degree, right? Come on, hurry up, find out and tell me the answer. Find the answer and tell me.
50.17.
All of you are getting the same answer? 50.17 degree. Alright, now let's find out what are the other parameters is given, or we need to find blade height at entry and the half tip diameter ratio. Okay, half, okay, so we need to find blade height. Okay, how you're going to use it? Let's look into the given data carefully. So they have given P1. So they have another thing to remember, make a note, mmHg. How will you convert this mmHg into Pascal? How we used to convert that? Anyone? Do you know how to convert mmHg into Pascal? Anyone? So you just need to multiply whatever the value, multiply 10 power 5 by 750. You will get in terms of Pascal, right? So 768 into 10 power 5 by 750, that value in terms of Pascal. Clear? T1 is given to you, right? This beta 1, beta 2. So from here all the values you will get. They have given diameter, very importantly mean diameter they have provided to you. They have given you mass flow rate. So always they have given mass flow rate, means always first think how you can make use of this continuity equation. So what is a continuity equation? Anyone? Rho A V. Now what will be the V here? What will be the V here? Here V is not going to be the U, right? It's going to be rho A CA. So there we used to use CR, radial velocity in case of centrifugal compressor. So here we'll use axial compressor. Fine. So rho A CA, area. Now what is A? They have not given area here, but they have given the diameter. So can I write here area equals to pi d h blade height, as because they have used this hub, okay, they have used this blade height. If they have not mentioned any blade height, I can simply keep pi by 4 d square. Since they have used this hub and they ask us to find out what will be the blade height, or if they have given width, so I need to use here this formula. So rho into pi d hb, okay, hb means blade height, into ca. D is known. CA, do we know CA? Do we know CA? Or can we find out CA? Remember one more tricks. So tan alpha 1 plus tan beta 2 plus equals to tan alpha 2 plus beta 2. It's nothing but equal to U by CA. You can also write U by CA, or inverse of flow coefficient. Now all these values are known. Take any one of it. So if you take tan alpha 1 plus tan beta 1 equals to, U is known, 100 by CA. So can you find CA? And tell me the answer. Once you find the value of CA, put it here, the value of CA, D is known, rho, mass flow rate is given to you, right? Mass flow rate is provided in the question. This is known, 25. How can you find rho? Is it possible for you to find rho? Yes? Yes, it is possible. How? Rho equals to P RT. P is given, T is given. R we know is constant, 287. we can find rho as well. So m dot is known, rho is known, d is known, CA we can find out from that equation. Then what is unknown? HB. Once you find HB, we can make a ratio between half tip and diameter tip. Tell me the answer. Okay, next.
M.44.
Yes.
92.
Yes, you are getting close to 0.45. Next we have stage loading coefficient, stage pressure, then power required to drive the stage. Right? Very simple. Stage loading you need to find out. Stage loading coefficient you need to find out. Okay. So remember again, there is a formula for stage loading. Usually they don't ask this question, but in case they ask, remember this is for the stage loading. They denoted as a phi. So W by U square is known as a loading. Stage loading. Okay. And what is W? W is a mu U CA tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1, right, divided by U square. U is the blade velocity. So this U and this one you will get cancel off. This omega is given, that is a work done factor is 0.95. So 0.95, then whatever the other values you have, CA value from here, alpha 2 is known, alpha 1 is also known, substitute U value, you will get your stage loading. And what is the other one? Pressure, stage pressure ratio. That is nothing but you have to find what is the value of RC. Okay, you need to find the value of RC. So you need to use this formula. Okay, I am changing the next slide to solve it. So we need to find this stage pressure, right? So what was the formula? Del Ts equals to del T overall by N equals to T1, the basic formula RC gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1 by eta C. Eta C is also provided to you. Okay, eta C stage efficiency is provided to you, right? Now T1 is also known. T1 is known, eta C is known. Now what is del Ts? There is another formula we have seen, omega U CA tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 by Cp, right, equals to so and so formula. right? So answer formula, and from there you can find out the value of
So what is the
this
value of Cp there?
Cp, as it is they have given adiabatic, we need to use Cp equals to 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So you need to remember this formula values also, 287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay, gamma is 1.4. Right, and next the last one, let me explain the power requirement to drive the stage. Okay, that means they need a power. So power equals to P, the basic formula is M into W, mass flow rate into work done. And as here in the question, notice they have provided mechanical efficiency. So we need to divide eta mech. So once we use this, we will get the answer in kilowatt.
Ma'am, what is stage loading coefficient?
Okay, what is the value you are getting?
0.7685.
Yes, 0.78. Yes,
And what is delta Ts?
0.78, close to that. Delta
Delta Ts.
delta Ts is a stage change in stage temperature.
Yeah, what is the value, ma'am? 7647.35.
See, if you solve this, whatever the value will be there, that will be the value for that. I don't have a separate value for it over here.
Okay.
Find out the total and tell me the value of R. You can tell me the value of RC.
Ma'am, I'll be calculate from this formula, like ohm u Ca 10 alpha 2 minus 10 alpha 1 by Cp.
We have just discussed that, right? See,
Yeah.
this is the formula we got. We know the compressor work done is this formula, right? We know the difference in that the stage is T02 minus T01. So other words, we can also write work done is Cp del Ts. So we are just equating this equation with this equation. You're getting the point? Both the work done,
Yeah,
we are
but-
equating.
But we can do without R also, na?
Without R.
Yeah.
That
By
is the
using
thing.
this
That is a
formula.
question you have to find here. You need to find R. They ask stage pressure ratio. That means you need to find RC. That is R value. T1 is given. Other values also given or known. So you just need to substitute and get the value of R. You're getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
So find out and tell me what is the value of R you're getting.
Ma'am, efficiency is 88%. 88, na?
88, 88, yes. see the answer? Please.
from 8.58.
8.58. All of you getting the same answer? So, right? As per my, it is 1.07, and p value is also 188.31 kilowatt.